Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this channel, we provide you every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we are here to help you. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm simply going to show you how you could easily fix Instagram DM glitch. What is Instagram DM glitch? Instagram DM glitch is when you are on your Instagram profile and you head towards your DM and your DMs are not loading. For example, if you have messaged someone or it is not showing here, then there must be Instagram glitch. It could also be a sending or receiving glitch, like you cannot send the messages and you cannot even receive them. So in order to fix that glitch, what you have to do is to simply go back, head towards your Google Play Store, or if you are using an Apple device, you head towards the App Store, tap on search bar, head towards Instagram. Here you have to make sure that you are using the updated version of the app, because updating the app usually fix all the bugs and glitches inside the app. Once you are done, you have to go back, head towards your phone settings. In the settings, you have to scroll down and there you will get the option of apps. From the app, simply search for Instagram. And now once you are on your Instagram info page, there you will get the option of storage and cache. Simply tap on that. From here, simply clear the storage and cache for the Instagram, and after that your glitch will be fixed. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.